This is the CourseCREEK AI course generator tool. This is a simple tool that will allow any would-be or experienced online course creator, author, or anybody that wants to make a presentation to quickly sort out an outline or storyboard or a curriculum for their course. It's super simple. Here's how it works. Let's scroll down here and we're going to type in the topic for our course. Let's call our topic how to train agents to sell real estate. Of course, it could be anything. The content type can be 3 different kinds of media: courses, presentations, and books. Let's go ahead and go with the course. Number of modules, chapters, and slides. So modules like a chapter in a book in a course. Let's just say we want, well, we'll just say 10. The course time, let's make it a 3-hour course. Output will be an outline, a description, or a summary. Let's go with the outline. I find that to be the most useful. So by creating an outline, we're actually going to create a storyboard or a curriculum sequence. Intended for experts, why not? And English. So we'll go ahead and submit. All right, and there you have it. Quick and simple. Course title: How to Train Agents to Sell Real Estate. Here is essentially a good first draft of what would be an online course curriculum outline for this course topic. So essentially what you see here is you see the modules, and then in each module are the individual lessons. Okay. Probably requires a little bit of refinement, but it's a good start for somebody that doesn't know where to start or is working with a new idea. And then if we go further with our tool here, go ahead and copy that content. All right, drop it into the copy and paste space here, add your name, your phone number, your email, and drop in your LinkedIn profile. Why not? Okay. And that's just so that we can reach out to you and schedule a meeting to talk about helping you build an online course at CourseCREEK. So it does have a sort of a lead magnet sales function for our company, but you don't have to meet with us. Feel free to use this to grab an outline if you'd like. It's a free service, it's a free tool, and hopefully you'll find it to be helpful. Thank you.